I'm Ivan Fomin, Managing Director at MSc Hiller in Markham Vale and Board Member at Destination Chesterfield. Universities UK is telling us that by 2035 we'll be needing probably 1.9 million STEM professionals in Britain, and yet in the East Midlands 58% of our manufacturers say they can't recruit skilled people. So this is what's driving us on to engage as manufacturers with new talent coming through from schools and colleges. We've been doing this MADE initiative for the past 10 years, and in that time we've had well over 3,500 pupils through the doors to get tours and work experience with local manufacturing businesses.
Hello, my name is Rhys. I'm the Head of Engineering, Digital and Service to Businesses for the Chesterfield College Group. Well, we're absolutely committed in developing the skills and knowledge of our apprentices and students and aligning them for jobs of the future. So really passionate about collaborating with our employers and ensuring that we're preparing our students and apprentices for those higher level jobs that's going to support an industry.
Hello, my name is Phil Dalton. I'm the owner and founder of Dalton Roofing, which are based in Chesterfield. I would say to all businesses, you need young people. All older people who want to upskill and retrain, they're the future. You've got to pass your skills on, you've got to pass your wisdom on, and you've got to be a positive role model. And people like that, they like that, Roger, reliable, dependable. It's what people like. It's one of the things I like about Chesterfield. It's got a buzz about it, it's got a warmth about it.